Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make non-veg pickle. We will go through the simple steps to create a delicious and long-lasting condiment. First, select your main ingredient, whether it's chicken, fish, or prawns, ensuring it is fresh. Then, prepare your spices and other fresh components. This guide will help you master the art of homemade non-vegetarian pickles with ease, providing a flavorful addition to any meal. Now let's prepare your main ingredient. Marinate your chosen meat or seafood with a generous 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and a small pinch of salt for about 30 minutes. Next, cook these marinated pieces until they are tender and lightly browned. This step is crucial for both flavor and texture, ensuring your pickle has a delightful bite. Remember to drain any excess liquid. Next, we craft the flavorful pickle base. Heat about 1/2 cup of oil in a pan and temper whole spices, such as 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then, add your ground spices, like 3 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of turmeric, cooking them gently until fragrant. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of vinegar or lemon juice for that essential tangy kick and preservation. For the final steps, gently combine your cooked meat or seafood with the prepared spice base, ensuring everything is thoroughly mixed. Let the entire pickle cool down completely to room temperature. This is very important for safety and flavor development. Then, transfer your delicious creation into airtight, sterilized glass jars. Store these jars in a cool, dark place for up to several weeks, enjoying your homemade non-veg pickle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.